Okay, welcome to my space. Today I'm going to do a little introduction on Microsoft Excel. Now this is the Microsoft Excel window, and here is our menu bar with different tabs: insert tab, the home tab, the insert tab, the layout, the formula, data review, and view tab, even the developer tab. But mostly this developer tab doesn't come out by default. You have to bring it out yourself. Then here is the ribbon where you can get all the tools you need to work on the home. And here is the name box, very important. Here, name box, where here is the formula bar. Now Excel is made up of rows and columns, and these columns are numbered in alphabetically. Now these rows are also numbered in 1, 2, 3, down to as many as over 1.4 million rows are there in Excel. As are the columns, we have up over 16,000 columns in Excel. Now let's find out how many are there. Clicking on this cell is called A1, which is what? A combination of column A and row 1. Now coming to this side, this becomes what? F4, which is a combination of column F and row 4. Now any interjection where a column meets with a row is called the cell name. Now look at this place. Here now becomes cell F4 because it is the interjecting cell where F and 4 meets, which is this place. So here becomes what? Our F4. Now any cell you click on, the name automatically appears on the name box, which is this place. Now I am on E7. Now for you to type in Excel, you first of all click on it, and wherever you see this means that here becomes your active cell. So if you are typing, it enters into the active cell. If I click on this place and I'm typing, it's enter here. So for you to type in Excel, you must first of all make the cell the active cell. Okay, now let's find out the number of rows we have in Excel. I will click on cell A1 and press Ctrl down arrow key, and it brings me down to the last row, which is 1,485,076. So this is the last row you can find in Excel, and that's to tell you the number of data that Excel can contain. Now based on the columns, we have over 16,000 columns in Excel. I'll hold my control, being on A1, I'll hold my control and the right arrow key. It brings me to the last row here, and that is XFD, and that is the last column you can find in Excel, making it about over 16,000 columns. Okay, now let's get back. Here becomes the vertical scroll, the horizontal scroll bar here, while this one becomes the vertical scroll bar. Okay, so let's go back to A1. Okay, now we are here. We also have sheets, different sheets, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. To add more sheets, you click on this plus sign and you get another sheet, which is sheet 4. But we are currently here on sheet 3. Okay, now many cells you have in this Excel. For you to make any calculation, you must make what? A cell reference. Now take for instance, we have 12 here and then we have 44 here. Now to add these two numbers, we'll now say equals to sum. We open a bracket. Which number do you want to add? We want to add cell A1, comma, and what? Cell B1. So we close it and press our enter. Now we have our answer. So each time you make any change to this, automatically the answer gets corrected. So this is just the little we have to teach you today on the introduction of Excel. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.